Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to start our last chapter of bridge engineering, which is your culvert and causeways. So this chapter contained your introduction, types of culvert and types of causeway. So in this chapter we discuss these one by one briefly. Come to the slide. First one is your introduction. So first we know what is culvert. Okay. So culvert is a tunnel carrying a stream under a road or railway, and a culvert may act as a bridge for traffic to pass on it. Okay. And they are typically found in a natural flow of water and serves the purpose of bridge or a current flow control. Okay. And culverts are available in many and shape like round, elliptical, flat bottom, pear shaped and box like constructions. Culverts are by their loads and water flow capacity, lifespan and installation of bedding and backfill. The types is based on the number of factors including hydraulic, upstream, elevations and roadway height and other conditions. Okay, so the following are the different types of culvert. First one is your pipe culvert. Second one is your pipe arch culvert. Third one is your box culvert. Fourth one is your arch culvert. Fifth one is your bridge culvert. And sixth one is your metal box culvert. So first we discuss about what is pipe culvert. So pipe culvert are the most common type of culvert due to the competitive price and easy installation. They are found in different shapes such as circular, elliptical and pipe arch. Generally their shape depends on the site condition and constraint. And pipe culverts on a small scale represent normal pipe like concrete pipe. Okay. So this is the picture of your pipe culvert, and all of you see here that the culverts are installed by your pipes, which may be your concrete pipe or steel or iron pipes, and this is very easy to installation, and the cost is also least. So come to the next one. What are the advantages and disadvantages of using pipe culvert? So the main features of pipe culvert are: it can be constructed of any desired strength by proper mix design, thickness and reinforcement, and they are economical. These pipes can withhold and tensile stresses and compressive stresses, and the crossing of water is under the structure. Okay, and these are the advantages of your pipe culvert. And what are the disadvantages? The main disadvantages of pipe culvert is that it can be easily corroded at the crown because of bacteria's organic matters and release of harmful gas, which is known as your crown corrosion. Okay, so next come to pipe arch culvert. So arch culvert are suitable for large waterway opening where fishes can be provided with a greater hydraulic advantages, and moreover they provide low clearance and are definitely much artistic. Pipe arches are particularly used for the site where headroom is limited and also have a hydraulic advantage at the low flow. And this is the picture of your pipe arch culvert. All of you see here, that is the culverts are provided here, that is your pipe shape, but the structure is your arch type. Okay, and basically this is uh, provided where large waterway openings are available. Next one is your what are the advantages of your use of pipe arch culvert? That is limited headroom condition, improved hydraulic capacity at a low flow, where the low flow of water are there, it can, by using this pipe arch culvert, that improve your hydraulic capacity in that places, and lightweight, and it is easy to installation. Okay, next come to box culvert. Box culverts are made up of concrete and especially RCC, reinforced concrete. The most challenging part in constructing a box culvert is that dry surface is needed for installing it, and however, due to the strength of the concrete floor, water direction can be changed when a large amount of water is expected, and this feature makes box culvert one of the most commonly found type of the culvert. Okay, and this is the picture of your box culvert. See here, this is the culverts are all are made in box like shape, and the waterway passes very commonly, very easily. There are no obstructions. And what are the advantages of box culvert? That is, the box culverts is a rigid frame structure and very simple in construction, and that will be non-perennial stream where scrub depth is not significant but the soil is weak, and the bottom slab of the box culvert reduce the pressure of the soil because it is constructed by your concrete, and these structures are rigid, and box culverts are economical due to their rigidity and monolithic action, and which separate the foundations are not required, and it is used in special cases where your foundation is very weak. Okay, so these are your advantages of use of box culvert. So next come to your arch culvert. So an arch culvert is made up of metal, stone, masonry, concrete, RCC. And construction does not take a lot of time, and unlike box culvert, water diversion is not necessary as it can be installed without disturbing the water current, and thus it can be termed as a low profile culvert, and this type of culvert maintain the natural integrity of the wash bed. Okay, so basically this culvert, arch culvert, the structure is like R shape, and it made by your metal, stone masonry, and concrete or reinforced cement concrete, and it does not take a lot of time to like box culvert, and water diversion are not necessary in this because the height of this culvert is very high. Next one, what are the advantages of installation or use of this arch culvert? That is, the advantages of using arch culvert over traditional box culvert and pipe culvert are cost saving, and it accelerated construction schedule, and greater hydraulic efficiency, it pleasing aesthetics, and it designing build advantages. Okay, so next come to bridge culvert. So bridge culvert serves a dual purpose. It can act both as a bridge and culvert, generally rectangular in shape, and bridge culverts are constructed under rivers and canals, and a foundation is laid under the ground level pavement. Surface is laid on the top of the series of culvert, and generally we can term it as multi-purpose culvert. So basically bridge culvert, this is the structure of your bridge culvert, and your next part we will discuss in our next slide. Thank you.